surprised it in Tuesday. It was either on foot or nothing. The stag ran through the jungle and darted up a cool. The king followed the stag up the hill, but upon reaching the summit, the stag was nowhere to be seen. There was a large rock, so the king climbed it, and looking out over the land and sea pressured out around him. In the distance he was a stretch of white sand and an island. The Sang Nila Utama was fascinated by the sign of the island. He turned to warn his subjects who had followed him. "What is the name of that island?" the king said. The subject, looking into the distance, and smiled. "That is Temastik, your highness." "Then we are going there. When we are going there," the king declared. The king ordered his fleet to set sail, and they began their journey toward an island. Suddenly, the onscreen blue sky were covered with black clouds, and heavy rain poured down. Strong bursts of wind threatened to tear the ships apart. The ship, crying Sang Nila Utama, was in the very eye of the storm, and crew lowered the sail, started to bail